Good day, FASA members. Welcome to the FASA Minute. Mark Dedekind and myself are currently in Vienna, Austria, attending the CIC General Assembly. Yesterday, we were privileged to address the CIC General Council and the Executive Committee on the work that FASA has been doing, the norms and standards for the large hunting of predators, as well as how we're busy interacting with other organizations and government institutions. The Free State Northern Cape provincial meeting was very well attended. We were able to inform the members of the work that FASA has been doing, and we had a great time together. Thank you for everybody that made the effort to attend the meeting. The vehicle that we received from Waterberg Toyota has been handed over officially and is being used for the Leopard project. We can remove the cameras this coming week from the Eastern Cape and redeploy them to Limpopo to the next sites. The golf day and the shootings dates has been announced. Please put them in your diary. We'd love to see you guys there. It's always great fun and for a worthy cause. Thank you from Vienna. Hope to see you guys soon again. Keep well.